Look, right behind you, so take a look. What did she do? Smile.
Okay. Get out.
Get out.
No, hey, no, no. That's a good job. That's how you touch them. Very nice. That's a.
Oh my gosh, I got it on video. Should we get back?
Wait till what?
Very cool. Now you guys. Thank you.
Come here, guys. He won't stop. How cute is that?
I want that. I want a little bit more.
Here he comes. Liam, he's hungry, bud. Oh, keep going, man.
Oh,